Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to track time in Clickup. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your tasks in which you want to add timer, then click to the tasks. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen. You can see a add time button. Click on it. From there you can start the timer. Once you have completed the tasks, click to this timer again. Then your time will be recorded. This is how you can track time in Clickup. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.